Hey, what's going on? This is Karl from Cooking and Grilling with Karl. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out another one of my cooking videos. In this video, I'm going to be making Southern style shrimp and grits right after this. Okay, for this recipe, I'm going to be using some medium-sized peeled and deveined tail-off shrimp, some applewood smoked bacon chopped up, some grits, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, garlic and herb seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, some canola oil, some chicken broth, some whole milk, some shredded cheddar, 1 lemon, some chopped parsley, some chopped garlic, chopped yellow onion, chopped scallions, unsalted butter, and some chopped bell peppers. All right, so there's all my ingredients laid out. Now let's get to it. Let's do some cooking. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is go on my bacon. And just gonna pretty much cook this till it's done. Just spreading it out so it can all cook kind of evenly. And now I'm going in with my onions. About a half tablespoon of garlic. And my bell peppers. Keep on cooking that. A little bit of the roasted garlic and herbs. A little bit of onion powder. A little bit of garlic powder. Alright, just gonna add just a little bit of oil. The bacon didn't make as much oil as I had wanted, so I'm just gonna put a little bit in there so the peppers and onions are sauteed right. Alright, this is smelling real good already. I haven't even put the shrimp in there yet. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is just add my my Old Bay to the shrimp. Alright, let's give it a little bit more. I want it to be kind of heavy. Going with a little bit more. All right, that should do it. I'm gonna add a little bit in the pan as well. All right, so boom, going in with my shrimp. All right, I went in with my shrimp. Cover that, let the shrimp cook down. I'll be right back. All right, now I'm about to get my grits going. And here, I already have about 3 cups of chicken broth going. So, I add about 1.5 cups, maybe 2 cups of grits. Get my whisk. Add a little bit more. I've been making these so long that, you know, I could pretty much, once I stir them a little bit when I put them in, I kind of can tell if it's the right amount or not. All right, that should be good right there. Not making a whole lot of these because it's just me and my kids are going to be eating these tonight. All right. Little onion powder. And the other thing is, I know a lot of people, they use water or whatever, but trust me, if you use chicken broth to make your grits, it's just going to take it to a whole nother level. So I just added in onion powder. I'm adding in salt right now. And I also added in some garlic powder. And then I'm going in with some black pepper. Bring this down to a simmer because it's already starting to do its thing. All right, the shrimp, they're pretty much done. What I'm gonna do is add just a little chicken broth to this. Let's just continue to cook down. You don't want it to cook too much because once the shrimp are cooked, if they overcook, then they start getting a little tough. So I'm gonna give one of these a taste. See where we at. Get a little bit of salt. Now I'm going in with some lemon juice. That's going to give it a little tang. Just a half a lemon. Going in with some scallions. Save a little bit for garnish. And that's pretty much it. The only thing that's left is tighten it up with a little butter, and that's it. Alright, so I'm going in with my butter. And I'm just going to stir that in. The butter's going to give it a nice little richness. Turn my heat off. All right, that's all set. Move that over here. Move my grits over here. Now I'm gonna go in with some milk. That's gonna give it, it's gonna make it a little creamy. Going in with some butter. Give these a taste. All right, they're pretty much spot on. A little bit more black pepper. All right, so going in with about a half a cup of cheddar. I'm gonna make these a little bit loose, because that's how my kids like them. All right, that should be about good right there. Yep, that's it. Sorry for the noise in the background. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just gonna plate one of these up for you. Hey, so thanks for watching my video. I hope the video helped you a lot in your cooking endeavors. This is Cooking and Grilling with Karl. I'm Karl. And once again, I just want to thank you and I appreciate you for watching the video. Please hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload another video. And hope to catch you on the next video. God bless. Peace.